Are you an overseas trained doctor currently working in Singapore and thinking about moving to New Zealand? If yes, there is an important New Zealand registration pathway you should know about. The Medical Council of New Zealand recognizes Singapore as one of its comparable health systems. This means some doctors with recent clinical experience in Singapore may be able to apply for New Zealand registration through the comparable health system pathway. But there are specific requirements. So in this video, I'll explain the process step by step. Welcome to Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose and opportunity connect. Step 1. Check whether your experience qualifies. The first thing to understand is that simply living or working in Singapore is not enough. For the Comparable Health System Pathway, MCNZ currently requires doctors to have an acceptable primary medical qualification and at least 33 months of clinical practice during the previous 48 months. The practice must generally be at least 20 hours per week, in one or more comparable health systems. You also need to have been practicing in the same or a similar area of medicine and at a similar level of responsibility to the New Zealand position you are applying for. Singapore is currently included on MCNZ's list of comparable health systems, alongside countries including Australia, Canada, the UK, Ireland, Germany, and several others. Step 2. Check your medical qualification. Your primary medical qualification is important. As an overseas trained doctor, you will need to provide evidence of your medical degree and other required qualifications. MCNZ requires key overseas qualifications to undergo primary source verification through EPIC, which is now accessed through the MyIntealth portal. So before applying, make sure your documents are available and can be verified. This may include your medical degree, registration documents, postgraduate qualifications, and evidence of professional experience. Step 3. Find a suitable New Zealand job. This is a very important step. For the Comparable Health System Pathway, you need a New Zealand job offer that includes supervision. You will also need to work with your employer because some parts of the application must be completed by the employer. Therefore, don't think of registration and employment as completely separate. You need to identify a position that is appropriate for your experience and can meet MCNZ's supervision requirements. Step 4. Apply through MCNZ. Once you have confirmed that you meet the requirements and have the appropriate job offer, you can apply online through MyMCNZ, the Medical Council's online portal. Your supporting documentation and primary source verification need to be addressed as part of the application process. MCNZ will assess your application and determine whether you meet the requirements for registration. Step 5. Work under supervision. If you are registered through the Comparable Health System Pathway, you don't simply arrive and begin practicing independently. International medical graduates registered in a provisional general scope must work under approved supervision. Your practicing certificate will specify the approved employment and supervision arrangements. And you cannot practice in New Zealand until your registration has been confirmed and you have received your practicing certificate. Step 6. Progress toward general registration. For doctors on the Comparable Health System Pathway, progression to the general scope is not automatic. MCNZ currently states that a doctor can apply after completing 12 months full-time equivalent working in the provisional general scope, receiving the required satisfactory supervision reports, and receiving a recommendation from the approved supervisor. So your first year in New Zealand can be an important part of your professional transition into the New Zealand healthcare system. What about specialists? Now, if you are not simply a general doctor but an overseas trained specialist, your situation may be different. New Zealand has separate vocational registration pathways for specialists. There is also a specific overseas specialist pathway known as VOC3, and a newer VOC4 fast-track pathway for eligible specialists with approved qualifications. So don't automatically use the Comparable Health System Pathway simply because you work in Singapore. Your specialist qualifications and training may point you toward a different pathway. Important warning. Working in Singapore does not automatically guarantee New Zealand registration. Your qualifications, length and nature of clinical experience, current registration, proposed position, supervision arrangements, and other requirements all matter. And immigration is a separate issue from medical registration. You need to address both professional registration and immigration/work permission. Who should investigate this pathway? This pathway may be particularly interesting for overseas doctors who are currently practicing clinically in Singapore, have several years of recent experience, hold an acceptable medical qualification, are working at a level comparable to the New Zealand position they are seeking, and can secure a suitable supervised position in New Zealand. Closing. So, if you're an overseas trained doctor currently working in Singapore and dreaming of New Zealand, don't assume that you have to start from zero. Singapore is recognized by the Medical Council of New Zealand as a comparable health system, and eligible doctors with sufficient recent clinical experience may be able to explore the comparable health system pathway. But your individual circumstances matter. Check your qualifications. Check your clinical experience. Check the registration requirements. Find an appropriate New Zealand position. And verify everything through the Medical Council of New Zealand before making major financial or relocation decisions. If you are currently working as a doctor in Singapore, comment below with your specialty, years of experience, and postgraduate qualification. We may create more specific videos for doctors in your situation. Don't forget to subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global for more international doctor, nurse, healthcare and career opportunities. Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose and opportunity connect. May God guide your professional journey, give you wisdom, and open the right door at the right time. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.